It's floating! So I'm out here by myself, and the Pioneer is having an issue, by the way. It's got some kind of parasitic draw. When I went to start up this morning, the battery was so dead. It's charging and it's running, but it's so dead the screen won't turn on, and I have no power steering, so that's fun. But we're gonna play around these holes because I'm by myself and I can actually mess around. I don't have to entertain people right now. So this is up towards the parking lot, but there's actually some pretty nasty mud here. Oh yeah, that's goofy. Right now we're in two-wheel drive, rear differential lock. The Aztecs make insane traction here. Even with the screen off and no power steering, everything else is working fine. It's shifting good, so I think it's okay. Once the battery charges up, I'm sure they'll come back to life. Let's see what we got over here. Man, you really don't realize how much work that power steering is doing. My gearing is totally excellent right now. Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning and digging. Still in two-wheel drive. Where are we? Oh, we're back where we started again. Different line now. And I've got gears for days. That's third gear. Here's second gear. So this hole right here is usually pretty bad. Oh, we need to try that out. Four-wheel drive for the first time today. Ooh! Butter. Let's try this out. Easy day. It looks like someone blocked that on purpose. We'll back up. no. So that's concerning. You think it just stalled. And it's been running for a while, so you think I'd have some charge on there. This battery could have just gone bad. I mean, this thing's brand new, but I might have got a bad battery because it's not taking a charge now. But don't worry, we have the technology. You gotta spin the hood to the side and then get out this little guy. So the only aftermarket accessory I've added that could be even remotely somehow adding a draw is the winch, but I don't think it is. But I'll experiment with that later. Once I get home, I get it charged up and put a new battery in it. I'll disconnect the winch. Yeah, so now the screen's on, everything's normal because it's getting voltage from this pack. As soon as I started though, the screen goes out. Very weird, very concerning. We'll get to the bottom of it though eventually. I do have my headlights off, that's important. Yeah, if I hit the winch, it kills it. So it's got barely enough current capacity to keep it running right now. A lot of people say like, oh, it's double clutch. If you drive it with low voltage, it'll blow up or something. I think that's bullshit, guys. Honda's definitely designed this thing to give the power that's available to the engine first. And once it gets lower than that, it shuts itself off to protect itself. So not much of a concern there. Hey, the screen's on now. Yay! So screen's on, but we don't have power steering because the voltage is still too low. It's a Honda, I'm sure it'll mend itself. So I've got her going again. Now I've got no screen. Same as before, and no power steering. I left the hood off to get to the battery easier though. Oh, there's a stump there. That's gotten deeper.